I got a part done. It's a lot going on up here. I don't know what to do with this. Okay, first, this video is starting off with all types of crazy. This video was planned. Like, I promise this video was planned. I didn't come on here looking like this for nothing. I have 4 packs of these, and we're going to try to put all of them in here. My hair is clean. I will start by saying that. I washed it a good 3 days ago. Okay, so it was 4 days ago. So let me just tell you what's going on, okay? So I decided that why not try and give myself passion twist. I've been wanting a new hairstyle for ages, and I had to take my hair out because it just wasn't it. And I washed it, and immediately after I took my hair out, I wanted something new done. Since I can't find nobody to do it, I said, hey, let me just do it myself. When I said that, I was like, oh, this is genius. This is bound to work out. And I realized I don't know how to do hair. But I watched 2 YouTube videos, so I'm sure I got it worked out now. And I'm going to combine this method with this method and just try to put it together somewhere in the middle. And I'm going to try to get some really crisp, clean parts, because I can part really, really good. I just can't see in the back of my head. How about we just get the station set up? But I will just say, this is not a tutorial. This is a learning experience. Those clothes are clean. I'm just too lazy to put them away. They've been right here for a good 2 days. I'm telling you when I'm using inventory like this. I got a part done. Y'all see that? That's all me. You may have noticed I changed my shirt. No, it is not a whole new day. Lay doesn't do that anymore. We finished videos. I was hot. Alright, let me stop eating. I decided I'm going to start on the hard part. That's her. Look like a little bow. Fun fact, I've actually went to school with a bow in my head made out of my hair. If I can find that picture, it will definitely be in here, but yeah. So I'm taking this out. Now I have my part, my hair. Now it's not bad. Now here's my problem. I don't really have gel or anything to like make it super neat. I really don't want them looking old. We're just gonna do it. But she getting along. I don't know how many this is gonna make. I think I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm officially done parting my hair. So yeah. Okay, this is her. I'm completely done parting my hair. I don't really know how it looks at the top. For my first time, I think it's okay. But yeah, it's giving very palm tree. It's giving very Cynthia from Rugrats. It's giving very Hey Arnold. And I'm deciding if I want to really continue this in the morning or if I want to do it tonight. But depending on what happens after I transition this video, that's when we'll find out. Alright, I guess we gotta pick up where we left off. So it's about 10:41 in the morning. But here we are now, and we're about to actually put the hair in my head. And I don't remember how to do it. So we're on our handy dandy iPad. While I'm looking for this video, I actually just got done uploading another video. It'll be right here on the screen. It should be ready, you'll see it, and by the time you see this, that'll be up. So yeah.
Do my hair, but this is basically how my hair is looking.
Okay, I know what I'm gonna do now. Okay, I did it. And then okay, you got me. I took another break. Anyway, so I'm actually halfway down my head, even though it doesn't look like it. These happen to be very skimpy, and that's the main reason why I was going to double them up in the first place, because they're so skinny and my parts are pretty not small. So I think I'm going to do 3. This is how long they are. Oh, sorry. And I'm actually going to cut them. I didn't twist all of them all the way down, but once I do, I'm just going to cut them, and all of that won't be there. And I think I did pretty good for my first time. So yeah, let me show you my angles. So of course I have this one in the mirror, but then I have that one back there. If I turn this way, I have this one up here, then I have this one back there. So yeah, it's been going pretty swell, and I can't wait to be done. Low-key, I want to do the front just to see how it'll look and then take it out, but you'll be with me, you'll see what I'll do. I was yesterday I was just practicing on what I should do to my hair. So I did one 3-strand twist, and then I did a regular braid to see how I wanted to do my hair, because I was on the verge of just giving up, but then I'm like, no, Lay, just try again. So I did. Some of my parts I reparted so that they could be tighter. I don't know what I'm gonna do over here with this. I guess usually it just gets braided up, but I don't know what to do with this. Maybe I have to make another part. What y'all think? Yeah, I think I'm gonna split it in half. And these are one of my smaller parts. I have a lot of parts and some were huge. That's why it was so hard to actually do the hairstyle, because my hair is thick for no reason. But then I realized I wasn't using no gel. The gel was gonna slick my hair down. I knew it wasn't impossible to have big parts with medium twists or whatever. I just knew it wasn't impossible. The top always be iffy, but then they get how I would actually like them to be. Time check, it's actually 3:25. I would like to be done before 6 o'clock. That way my hair will be done and I can eat. Now, some of y'all might have took that sentence and been like, what, Lay? So I've actually been fasting with my church. I've been fasting since the 2nd week of January. And every week we add them 2 hours, so we can't eat until after 6 p.m. One pack of hair that I got was black, and I'm super upset, but I have to use it. But once I really started getting the hang of this, like, I was going to do 3-strand twists. I don't know why, because now I realize I didn't have to. I definitely want to bring the natural hairstyles back on here, because I had to start learning how to do my hair. I can't just put my head in everybody's hands. Now mind you, I only let a set number of people touch my head, But when you get desperate and you haven't had your hair done in months, you will go to anybody. Usually when my people are booked and I don't go to nobody else. But that's the problem. I won't go to nobody else. Getting your hair done is definitely a version of self-care, of practicing self-care, because it makes you feel good. It makes you feel good when you have your makeup done or your hair done. I don't wear makeup, but I know for people who do, it makes them feel good. It does not feel good to not have your hair done. Fellas, it does not feel good to not have a haircut. Y'all know, don't trip. It's self-care. So y'all should learn how to cut your hair, and I'm gonna learn how to braid, and then the world will be a safer place. You don't believe me? Alright, pick up a pair of clippers. Learn how to cut your hair and see how much safer the world will get. I'm telling you, some people be going crazy for a haircut. So these are 3 now. It's a lot going on up here. Anyways, now after I braided that down, I would split it into 2. And I realized in a lot of the videos they were saying like make sure you twist the right way. And basically when you twist your hair, whichever way is comfortable to you, do the opposite of that. So most of us don't realize, but we usually twist right over left, right over left. But with this hair you have to twist left over right. It might look right over left to y'all, but this is my left hand, this is my right hand, and I'm going over. But also sometimes the hair is playing games, so I have to remember not to twist all the way down, because it's frustrating to twist all the way down and then realizing you twist the wrong way. You'll see when you twist the wrong way. Hopefully we didn't twist the wrong way. So let's just see. I'm gonna let go in a second after I know for sure that all of my hair is braided down, twisted down, and I've done a little bit of the burgundy hair because I know that it's secure, and it already looks thicker than the other ones. We're like halfway there, and I'm gonna let go. And you see how it just expanded. If you braid the wrong way, it'll just kind of unravel. And here it is. If the twists aren't looking tight like that, you did it wrong. I know one of these are janky. I'm gonna have to redo it. Look at that. Look at this. I gotta take this out. But I ain't gonna do it tonight. Yeah. The rest of it's somewhat blended, but I don't know what happened with this. I didn't understand the assignment. Look what I found. How? Say that the only reason these are taking me so long to do is because I have to unravel these. Now, ultimately, I probably don't have to unravel these, but that's what the girl in the video did, and I like how they look, so it's gonna take a little minute.
You're now listening to Katano Beat.
I told my mom I would be ready that I'm gonna try to be done at 8 o'clock, but I did these myself. And oh yeah, let me show you the time. Look, this is her. I thought, last minute I was like, ooh, I should have 2 black ones in the front, and after I really style it up and see,
Katano Beat.
thank you so much to everyone who tuned into this video. Don't be brutally honest, but give me some constructive criticism about this hairstyle. I don't know. I still didn't see how my parts were looking. I didn't look back at the footage yet, but I'm hoping they're okay. And some of them I kind of cut uneven, But we're not going to talk about that. We're not going to talk about the flaws. We're only going to talk about the end of this video. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with a friend or two. Let's break the YouTube algorithm because we got to get to 100K subscribers. I'm just saying. It might be a stretch, but we got to get there. We got to get there. Alright, so I will see you in the next video. Peace. This took forever. Just want to say that now. I just want to say that. Okay, let's wrap it up though.